You got the battery in it?
Mm-hmm. The battery's strong on it. Or at least it should be. Range Rover.
Everything further than that truck.
Them tires. So, right. This one right here, it's separated, and that one right there in the back, separated. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and see what that's gonna do. Yeah, I already know. You know that window wasn't like that when I got it. When I had won it at the Copart auction, it was not cracked. It was not shattered like that. That's the same thing with the sensors on here. The sensors on here, they was when I had viewed it at the auction, it was sitting straight up. Then obviously when they deliver it to me, there's a crack on the windshield, and now it's sitting really low. I mean, it look like it's raising up now, like it's going up pretty slow.
How bad is it? They got airbag suspension on here? Yeah. I had that on my car.
There's gonna be a detail on this car at a later time. Not today though. Alright, so got those 2 tires put on there. As you can see, those tires there was absolutely horrible. We got them installed, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take me a break because man, it's hot, and then we're gonna get back at it. Speaking of which, are you gonna help me this time? Are you gonna help me this time? She helped me the last time, but I don't know about this time, so we're gonna see what happens. You coming? Let's go. Anyway, taking the Land Rover out for a drive. We're gonna see, you know, how she does. We're gonna turn around and added the 2 front tires on there. Well, not the 2 front tires, the 2 passenger side tires on here. And so we're pretty much just taking her out for a spin. We're gonna see how she rides. Definitely not shaking as much as she was before. If y'all seen those tires that I took off, those things there were destroyed. Especially that first one. That first one was gone. Like, was gone. It's like, it is definitely not as bouncy anymore. We still got the ride heights on, so, you know, I'm pretty sure that we're probably gonna have to go take it and get that serviced and probably have that looked at. But as of right now, she rides pretty smooth. You know, I'm not going really fast. It's not giving me any type of codes or anything. You know, it seems like everything here is pretty much solid. Oh yeah, she definitely gets up too. She is not a play. Ooh, she definitely don't play. That 330 Ci. I'm gonna have to buy one of those. Maybe in the next video we'll get one of those once we sell one of these. So I like that 330 Ci. I actually want to build one. You know, the one BMW that I really liked, it was the M3. It's from Need for Speed Most Wanted. I love that one. That one there was absolutely awesome. And man, I really would like to get one of those. If not, I'll take the 330 Ci and just kind of fix it up as close as I can, because, you know, y'all know I'm not rich. Woo, that was some terrain right there. Like, to me, like, she's riding pretty good. Don't look like much of anything. Like I said, the low and the high is on. I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like, and looks like another light came on. So yeah, look, these are the lights that are on right here. We got the low one and it's flashing. We have this one right here. I'm thinking that maybe that's the traction, and then we have the ride height light that's on, and then the ABS light that's came on. But this one here is on. We're gonna definitely look into this one here. Like I said, whenever I was driving it, the gas light came on, and I mean not the gas light, the battery light, and the battery light was up here in the corner right here, and it came on. And then when it came on, you know, the car started making those beeping noises, but then after that it just stopped. But that's gonna do it for this video here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Wanna say hi? Like, comment, subscribe.